Hello, I'm Jake Lazaro alongside my partner Evan Bradley, and this is another edition of Storm Watch. Unfortunately, everything that we had planned to do got thrown in the garbage because of this snowstorm, so instead we're going to improvise. We have a interview with Zach Ellis, who is on set with us right now. We'll be following that up later, and we're going to show you some footage of what's going on around the week, and yeah, then we're going to get out of here, but let's get started.
This is Stormwatch.
Right now we're building the mechanism that's going to pull the ball into the actual robot. We have a belt system, and we have an axle that goes to a piece of PVC, and there's two of those mechanisms, and pretty much you have these elastic bands that go from each end of the PVC, and those spin in a direction, and those collect the ball into the robot through a specifically sized frame. And then we are going to prototype the shooter for that mechanism. Right now we're focusing on the drivetrain of the robot and that.
What we've been working on, we've been splitting up into different teams. The first 2 days I was working on shooting the for the robot we're designing. We're going to be shooting the ball. So then I was working in a team where we were figuring out the logistics and everything, the physics of shooting the ball and the mechanics, how to get it in and all that. And the next day we split up. And I was working in a team where we were working on the arm, what would be actually holding the ball, rather than focusing on how we would get it to shoot. And then we split up again, and now I'm on a team that is developing a device that will connect from the robot to the top bar on top of the tower, so we can scale and hang from the facade. So right now, I'm working on an Inventor 3D drawing of the hanging arm. I'm assembling it, I'm downloading files offline. Someone else on my team, they built a cardboard prototype of the hanging arm, all the folding mechanisms and everything. So I'm taking that, I'm redesigning that Inventor to a 3D model with actual metal pieces that I've been downloading online.
Straight out of D108, this is Stormwatch Productions. From Jake Lazaro and Evan Bradley, we will see you next week. Unless there's another snowstorm.